You're looking at a Prototrak 1840. This is the LX3 control. This machine is a 2000. The ways on this machine are in excellent shape, as you'll see in the other pictures. Roger's going to go ahead and fire this thing up and show you it running. We have it set on about 400 RPMs. Bumping up the speed a little bit. Show you how it sounds. As you can hear, it sounds very good. This also does come with a manual. He's going to show you the cross slide and running back and forth. Hand wheel there. Now I'll show you the making some moves on the screen there, on the monitor. And then he's going to use a joystick. This machine sounds excellent, looks excellent, the ways are in excellent shape. Outside of a little cleaning up, this machine is going to make somebody a nice lathe. Again, Prototrak 1840 LX3 control. This is a year 2000 model, in excellent shape. We thank you for your business and have a blessed day.